the question, are we seeing the past when we look at the stars? The answer is yes. For example, the light that left Earth 100 years ago is now 100 light years away. So, how does it work? But first, let us learn about how we see things from light. Consider an analogy. Imagine the sun is constantly casting enormous numbers of little tiny bouncy balls in all directions. These balls are photons, or individual particles of light. On Earth, some will bounce off of a dog and then get caught in your eyes, so your brain will be able to register, oh, that's a dog. Light takes time to travel, so looking at anything is equivalent to looking back in time. And the farther away it is, the further back in time you see. For example, if your eyes are about 2 feet away from the screen or cell phone you're watching this video on, then you're seeing this video as it was about 2 nanoseconds earlier. That's basically instantaneous, and way faster than the human reaction time between 200 to 250 milliseconds, so the light speed delay doesn't muck up our daily lives. But if you look at the moon, it has a distance of about 384,400 kilometers away, or in light years distant. It has 1.25 light seconds away from Earth. Then, if you are watching someone on the moon, and he is waving at you, then you are seeing him 1.25 seconds ago. That is not noticeable. How about on Mars? That has a distance of 3 light minutes away from Earth. If SpaceX land the Starship with people on the red planet, and if you are looking at them with a telescope, then you are seeing them 3 minutes ago. For the Sun, it's closer to 8 light minutes away, so if for some crazy reason, the Sun disappeared, then no one on Earth would know it for 8 minutes. When astronomers look through their telescopes at distant stars, they're seeing them as they were many years ago. This is one way astronomers measure distance. A light year is just the distance it takes light to travel in a year, conveniently tying distance and age into one number. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. The nearest galaxy, Andromeda, is about 2.5 million light years away. The Hubble telescope is a space telescope that was launched into low Earth orbit in 1990 and remains in operation. It is responsible for many of most impressive visible light images of deep space. With its wide field of view, sharp image quality, and high sensitivity, it helps map the distribution of dark matter, detects the most distant objects in the universe, searches for massive planets, and studies the evolution of clusters of galaxies. Recently, it captures a photo that looks back 13.2 billion years to the creation of the universe. We are seeing our present on this planet and the stars past at that location. Since no events can travel faster than light, neither can causal effects from our planet. The star is still in our sky because the space we can interact with goes further into the past as its distance from us increases. In other words, we're always surrounded by the past.